Hello, today we'll be looking at 13 alternatives to meetup.com, and we have ranked them based on the features they provide as well as how much it costs you per month and how complex it is to use. So you might see some expensive alternatives ranking higher and some free alternatives ranking lower based on the ease of use. All right, okay, let's get started. So the number 13 is Circles. Circles is rated very low on App Store, but it's an iOS and Android app. It's a platform which you can use to create your community. So let's have a quick look. Here we go. The all-in-one community platform for creators and brands. And the costing here provided is around $35 per month for a basic simple group. And then you have $89 and $360. It looks good. It has all the features like Facebook does in terms of managing your community, etc. So yeah, it's one of the alternatives. Okay, let's move to the next one, which is Ticketleap. Now, again, Ticketleap is a ticketing platform for events, so it doesn't primarily replace Meetup in terms of community management, but you can use it, and it charges on percentage basis how many tickets you sell, and then how much each ticket cost. All right, next one is Community.com, community with K. So this is also another alternative which you can use to create your communities online. It has almost all kind of features provided by meetup.com, but it's not that famous. And let's have a look at their pricing here. So you have a free tier where you can simply get start your community. Then you have a pro, which is $7 per month, and then you have to contact them for the enterprise. Let's have a look quickly if they have iOS and Android app. It doesn't seems like they do, so it seems like it's a web-based application platform. Oh, they do have App Store apps also here. So let's have a quick look. So it's free and you can download it and utilize it for the events. Okay, perfect. Next, move on to Ninja. Okay, so Ninja is another alternative. So Ninja helps you create your social network basically. So you don't literally create a community, but you create a whole platform where your community can interact with each other. And as you can see, it has the basic plan of $25 per month, and you can have up to 1,000 members here, and then it increases to 49 and then 99 per month when it comes to managing your group. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Now, next one we have is Facebook. Now, Facebook is completely free to manage your community and groups, so it's straightforward. I don't think so you're interested in knowing more about it, but yeah, that is another option. After that, we have Citysocializer. Now, Citysocializer is also a good platform. I think it's primarily focused in Europe, and it's quite expensive also because they don't provide any um, um, pricing information on the first page on the landing page of their website. But I have done some research and they're quite expensive in terms of managing your community. So I'll put the pricing for Citysocializer later in the comments in this video. Okay. Right, so the next we have is OpenSports.com, and this is again really good platform where you can, if you have a sporting community which engage on a weekly or daily basis depending upon the frequency, you can use it. Let's have a look at their pricing plans. The UI pretty friendly here. So I'm going to see if I can find the pricing. Oh, there it is. So basically, they focus on the sports organization. Their initial plan is $20 per month, and then the full time club is $60 per month. Plus, they do have some percentage on the each sale of tickets or membership for their community members. Okay, so the next one we have is Peanut. Yeah, Peanut is really good. It is primarily focused for women's having so many genders right now in this world. I'm not sure who will fit into that particular identity, but it is primarily focused for women. It is free to use, as it says on their website, and they usually talk about women issues, and they have Android and iOS app. um, I don't think so they have any pricing to join Peanut, but I guess in order to create your community on Peanut, there should be some price, but it's not listed on their website. Okay, so the next one is Eventbrite. Again, Eventbrite is a web portal where you can create events and sell tickets, etc., etc. They also operate on the base of commission, but again, this is not full-fledged alternative for Meetup, but it's very easy to use, and it has better features than compared to other platforms we listed down. Now, drum rolls, because all the alternatives I'm going to show you are very close and very nice in terms of replacing Meetup. Okay, so the first one is Halo. So Halo is an alternative platform which is created by an ex-Googler. It is super expensive to look after your community on this platform, but uh, initially it is free. It has an iOS and Android app. I wouldn't say it's super user friendly, but it follows all the Google UI guidelines. So it's good. They have really good App Store and Google Play Store ratings. And yeah, that's pretty much it about Halo. There you go. Now let's go to the next one. Locals.org is again a good alternative for Meetup, and they have lots of communities there, but they primarily focus on the local communities around you. They're pricing it quite high, but the features and UIs are really helpful in terms of navigating and purchasing your membership or tickets for the events. So yeah, they do have iOS and Android apps. So there you go. The next one is Disciple Media. Now, Disciple Media is super expensive, but this is more about creating your own platform itself. Basically, they are an agency which will provide you all the software which you need to run your community. And you can literally create a web or iOS app or Android app with their code, and they will customize it for you. But this is how much it will cost you. So the web one will only cost you $38 per month. But when you want to grow it to 100 members or more, it will subsequently increase the price. Okay. So the next one we have is Byte. So Byte.com is pretty straightforward to use. It has all the unique features which Meetup provide. But the only problem with this platform is they're web-based. So all the groups and communities you see here is uh, operating online on the web, and they do have progressive web apps, but they don't have native iOS or Android app, and it costs around £200 a month annually. Sorry, $200 annually. And last but not least, oddcircles.com, amazing platform. and it cost only $49 for a year. It's basically less than $5 a month, and your community will be up and running. So they have iOS and Android app. They're also running a lifetime deal right now for $99, where you can create a community for life and you will never have to pay any money to manage your communities. They have lots of features, like they have instant support, granular setting for your community, member management, automation tools, and they have a chatting feature inside the app, and then they also have a monetization feature for your community. And these are the number of countries they operate in. So yeah, we have placed them on the number one because um, they're cost effective and they have all the features which you require to run your community. Perfect. Okay, so these are the 13 alternatives for meetup.com. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you know any other alternative or you have any feedback for any of the apps, then please comment below the video. Thank you. Bye.